Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to episode 9 of a Ramzan series. For today's iftar, I have made this potato cheese ball and a crispy chicken. After a long day of fasting, nothing feels better than biting into a hot and crispy potato cheese ball. First, you need to boil the potato and mash it really well. Then add finely chopped onions and capsicum. If you're taking a 2 large potatoes, then 1/4 of a finely chopped onions and 1/4 of a capsicum would be more than enough. Then add finely chopped coriander leaves, pinch of a salt, teaspoon of a black pepper powder, teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, teaspoon of a red chili powder and a pinch of oregano. Then add a tablespoon of a corn flour and mix everything really well. If you find it difficult to make a perfect ball out of these potatoes, or if you feel like the consistency of a potatoes are little runny, it shouldn't be, but if you feel like that, then add a tablespoon of a corn flour more and then give it a good mix. And that's it, no fancy ingredients required. Now it's time to make a ball out of it. Add a cheese cube, cover it completely and make a ball out of it. The balls which I have made, as you can see in the video, is slightly big. You make a mini and tiny balls which would be perfect and tastier as well. Tiny balls are perfect because when you fry it, once you are done making balls, then dip it in an all-purpose flour. To this all-purpose flour, I have added a pinch of a red chili powder and black pepper powder, then dip it into an egg mixture. And at the end, you have to coat it with the breadcrumbs. Remove the excess breadcrumbs, add only as required. After coating, freeze it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Freeze and deep fry in a medium flame. Freezing them will prevent the cheese from leaking, will keep the shape perfect, and will make the balls extra crispy. Now let's move on and make the crispy chicken. The secret ingredient for the crispy chicken is perfect seasoning and layering. In a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, tablespoon of a red chili powder, pinch of a baking soda, half teaspoon of a baking powder. Mix it really well and our coating mix is ready. Now keep it aside and let's marinate the chicken. First you need to cut the chicken into a thin and long pieces, then move on to adding the spices and marination. If you like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, now let's marinate the chicken with a tablespoon of a red chili sauce, mustard sauce, dark soya sauce, and then squeeze some fresh lemon. I bought a lemon from store which is larger than the lemon squeezer itself. Anyways, add half tablespoon of a red chili powder, add half teaspoon of a ginger garlic paste, mix everything really well and marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, add the marinated chicken to the prepared coating mix. Coat each and every chicken really well. Now add the chicken into a strainer and tap it so that the excess flour will be removed. This is a perfect comfort snack to enjoy with the family. This is a one-time recipe. You cannot store it in a refrigerator and fry it next day. After coating, you have to immediately fry it. Now dip it in a water and remove immediately, and now you have to coat it again in a prepared coating mix. The secret is in the double coating, which gives that beautiful crispy texture just like a restaurant style fried chicken. Perfect for iftar, crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. After coating, immediately deep fry in a hot oil. One mistake I have done here is I have over fried the chicken. If you fry for a lesser time in a medium flame, it will give you a slight beautiful golden color which is perfect. And that's it guys for today's iftar. See you all in the next food related videos. Stay tuned.